Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now today we are reviewing a very special Japanese sedan. This is one of those cars that feels like it's a hidden Nexus. It has comfort and power and stability on the road. It's not as common as the alll or the Primo, but it's a very good car, the Toyota Mark X. Now this is the GRX 130. GRX 130 stands for the Mark X that is a two-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. In Morocco, one of the reasons why it's not very popular is because it's a 2.5 litre V6. A liter will probably give you 8 to 10 kilometers, but this is refined. It can give you up to 12 kilometers per litre, only if you drive it properly.
We talk the truth, not just a brand for car lovers across the land.
My car journey did not start with a love of speed or shine. It started with frustration. I watched local brokers manipulate buyers. I saw mechanics cut corners. People paying too much for too little.
Why you know want to see?
Paso, Vitiz, Sienta, Spacio.
And I could not stand by while our car happiness was stolen from us. That's what lit the fire in me. I wanted to change the narrative, one ride at a time, to make sure everyone could get a decent car at a fair price, to do the inspections others skip, to share real, honest reviews, to give people the knowledge they need to make better choices. Because for me, it's not about the horsepower. It's not about the shine. It's simply for the love of cars. This show is not just about cars. It is about our cars. It is about our journeys. It's about our love of the ride. Welcome to For the Love of Cars.
If you're feeling good, track your car, no games to play. Restore the past, drive into tomorrow. We bring the love, not just the horsepower. Is it a no or a TX ride? We'll show you what's real.
Now, the Mark X. You remember the first Mark X that came out in 2004? Ojijukireyo. Neja ntujuvuga through 2005, 2006, 2007. Nitujange Morocco yemuje tukolachi. Naje tuvuganga tujiwomerwa. However, Abajapane bagamba, let's refine this car to give us this shape. This almost looks like the Crown. It competes with the Crown. It will compete with the Lexus. What is the one thing that I like about this car? I like the presence. It's huge. It's humongous. Yeah, and of course, they lifted a little. But the lights, although they want to look almost like the lights of the old Mark X, that thing, it's not actually there. It's almost flat, yet it has also the curves. And the grille. Now, the grills look different with every facelift, yeah? But the grills also make it, you see, the shape of this car almost make you feel like you're driving a Primo, but you're actually driving a Mark X. But I love the size. It's huge. I'm also a bit huge, but it's huge. I love how it comes. Let's look at the engine that comes with this car. Well, we open the engine the same way like we open the Primos.
To dreams we patrol. Reviews tips we break it down. Helping every driver in the town. For the love of cars, Uganda. Welcome to the road where rubber meets.
Now, this is the 4GR V6 2.5 litre. Ogula bobango ogule Morocco. Ofubango okulaba nga teba leakage. It should be as clean as this. Don't confuse this for the leakage. Normally you bateekamu wano oil abasajja ba service bagira oil nayikako ebbali, and always buy a car that has a clean cover like this, because emotoka bwebanga eri clean bweti kitegeeza bagikola service mbudde, or they're at least clean enough. Now, a Morocco ekuwa about 203 horsepower and about 243 newton meters of torque. Kitegeeza ki agamanyi manji. And you know, this comes with the standard conventional automatic 6-speed. Kitegeeza nti Morocco eina gear ratio enene. kyekitegeeza nti emmoroka tegenda kusaba gear at moments when it should not be asking you for gears. Now there is a problem with Mark X starting the 2004 model that came out. Ebomba zino zifa. But you know, if you own a Mark X, it's a chance you have to actually do exercise, okole ku mukono, okole ku shoulder, kuba yo bonnet ebeera ezitowa. Mpozi n'ekino ekintu kimanyi okufa buloko bwakyo. Era eno looko baagikutula dda. Ziri looko bbiri zombi baaziggyako dda birabba byakyo. Kati those are the two issues. Now, standard automatic conventional gearbox paired together with a V6 2.5 litre, that will make you one of the most powerful cars on Ugandan roads. Ate ne moroka bagikola when it's very aerodynamic, which means it gives you a lot of power. Come, let's look at the boot. Njagala tulaba boot. Olaba obe moroka eno ngene esobola okukola by'oyagala ddala gwe ow'omu kyalo. If you can get your hands on a 4-wheel drive, ate bigenda kuba biralamu. You see this boot? It's almost the size of the boot that comes with most of the sedans by Toyota. Primo is a moroka spare tire jereyo wansi. It's not one of those cars that doesn't come with a spare tire. So it can actually load a lot of stuff in here. And the rear looks as beautiful as you can find it. Very beautiful. Bamanyi okutulimba. Bamanyi abantu bano okutulimba. Zombi exhaust. Bamanyi abantu Mazda, BMW, bamanyi okutulimba. Ne bakateekawo ne bakakookera nga teri kiriyo eno ebirina. Should we look at the interior? Yes, let's look at the interior.
For the love of cars, Uganda. Welcome to the road where rubber meets the soul. For the love of cars, Uganda.
Kalabye. Kawide ka sound. Ne kaleta badge wali ya Mark X. And of course the X3 radios that are bad. Zino zivuguma zino. This is standard. Buli woolabanga akantu kano omanya oliwo ekibulawo. Eno eba temalaayo bulungi erina okujja ne button endala wano normally tetuzikozesa ffe wano ng'e Uganda za kuba masimu and all that. Let's look at the glove box. You have a cup holder there. We have 2 cup holders here. We have storage here for the coins, and probably in the later models wano bakuteereddewo wireless charging. We have storage space wano emabega wano, and then a charging port for your phones. And then of course, like I said, you have sport mode, yeah, you have snow mode, or you can just take it out, and then you have echo, yeah.
We'll show you what's real, not just a hype. Starlit views and engine rolls, we teach you more than just for those.
So when you use a sport mode, you have a snow mode, and then you can just take it out, and you have echo. Now, you need to note, once you use sport, the echo will go off. Once you use snow, the echo will go off. Echo only works alone, yeah? And then the standard AC controls here, where you can have auto, you can control duo to make sure the passenger has their own temperature. You also have your own temperature, you get. And then you control the fan as well. And that basically works. I think I like the vents here that are not easy to break like the old Mark X. And then the side mirror controls here. And the only thing that this car doesn't give you a very big headroom. Nti siri muwanvu nnyo, but you can see it almost roof ngituuseeko. So if you're a very tall person, you probably will be driving it ng'omutto ogwongeddeyo eno, then womala okugwongerayo ne kano n'okongera emabega, then womala ne wano n'ossa. Okirabe, if you're a very tall person, that will give you a much bigger headroom. Okirabe. So it's practical if you're a very tall person. Some of you guys have been saying, Arthur, ndi muwanvu nnyo Mark X tejja kunsobola. You see, nze wano kati mba sobola vuga, olaba. Almost ekigere tekyagala kutuuka. Kituuka naye wano bwe nvuga mba nja kutomera. Okitegedde. So for us who are tall Ugandans, we can bring it back to our normal height, pull it up like that. Okirabye. And yeah, and then just like that. Yeah. I love the gear knob though. I love how it looks. It looks really nice. And then the sport mode where you can go through the 6 gears. Yeah, I love it. And I love how it feels when you're shifting gears. It feels like it's planned, yeah? It feels like it's planned. Kasound kalinga kali planned. I love how cold the AC gets, or how warm the AC gets when you desperately need it. Let's look at the rear. Let's just imagine someone is as tall as this, and we look at the rear space. So when you sit here like this,
For the love of God. cars Uganda. Pre-purchase checks will lead the way. Track your car.
You realize that it gives you a lot of legroom here, and in the back you have considerably more headroom than the people that are seated in the front. Yeah, and then of course you have standard seat belts, and this should be a way to actually push this seat negugwa. Huge speaker, cup holders, and then a space for you to keep things like books and all that. And of course the wood finish, which makes it a little bit more executive. Other than that, I find that the car is actually good. Let's go experience it on the road.
For the love of cars Uganda, we roll.
Now, there are two versions when you look at the frame of the Mark X. The GRX 130 and the GRX 135. The GRX 135 is the four-wheel drive. The GRX 130 is the two-wheel drive, which is rear-wheel drive. It's what we are sitting in. Now, this model is a 2010 model. When you sit in the Mark X like this, it almost feels like the Primo, the 2008 model. But it's not a Primo. This is actually much more comfortable than the Primo. Now, there are two versions of the Mark X. If you look at the frame number, there's the GRX 130 and the GRX 135. This is the GRX 130. Now, the GRX 135 is four-wheel drive. The GRX 130 is two-wheel drive, which is rear-wheel drive. This model started in 2010. That's when they started giving us the new shape. When you sit in it, it almost wants to feel like the Primo 2008, but this is actually much more comfortable than the Primo. It's much heavier on the road. The soundproofing is much better than that of the Primo. When you look at the dashboard, it's much more premium than that of the Primo. Starting at the steering, and this is one of the basic ones. All these models that I've seen come with the push to start button. They come with a gear lever that is impressive. You have the eco mode, you have the snow mode, and then the sport mode. And then it has the manual mode, where you can go through all the gears that it has. Most of these I have seen are 6. This is also 6 speed. Yeah. And now the owner of this car drives it in eco mode. You can disable the eco mode. When you disable the eco mode, the car will give you extra power, but it also be consuming a little bit more fuel, which I'm sure you don't want. This doesn't come with the engine brake. No, it doesn't. But it comes with parking, reverse, neutral, and drive and sport, which gives you good performance. Now this goes up to 180 kilometers per hour as the maximum speed. And I love how it feels. I love how much space it gives me when I'm seated here. I love how much control I feel when I'm seated in this car, because it doesn't feel like the car is superior to me. I feel like I am superior to the car. Now it has this digital meter here. Come look here. It has that digital meter. It depends on how strong your throttle is, how strong you press the accelerator. You see, if you don't overpress the accelerator, I mean if you don't throttle a lot, then it will give you a lot of kilometers per liter. It means it can give me up to 18 kilometers per liter. When Ninya, like now, it gives me 0 kilometers per liter. So that's a very good thing. To monitor. It helps you to monitor yourself and how you are driving, to make sure that you don't spend a lot of fuel. Now, the other thing I like about the Mark X is, I'll show that later, but the driving experience is good. It handles potholes and humps like it's not a sedan. The suspension was made friendly for comfort, so it means it's going to give you, and the steering is actually very good to handle. Like if you have to maneuver, it has electronic seat adjustment. Yeah, electronic seat adjustment, which is very good. It also has automatic AC. You can have dual, which that means that the passenger can have their own temperature, and the driver can also have his or her own temperature. Now, unlike the old Mark X's that came with the AC vents that brake like nothing, AC vents, these are stronger. The dashboard looks much more refined. Now, this one comes with curtain airbags. Look here, it has airbags here and in the back, and it also has the standard airbags that come at the front. but generally the finish is executive. See the wood, the dark wooden finish here, which wood basically is executive everywhere you will go. Okitegeera emoroka yonga yeri executive, but the only downside is probably when you're driving n'otuuka ewaseerera eba egenda kusumbwamu ne bw'onooba olinnya busozi emoroka yonna yonna ng'esikira amabegako ebeera benzi esumbwamuko ewantu ewakola ki ewaseera. But the driving, let's look at the humps. Look there, it handles the humps surprisingly well. And then let's go to manual. Jiwe number 3 egituwe jiwe 2 jiwemu ejizize ezize number emu. Ojiwulira how it handles the potholes. Look at this big hump here. Ogirabye Land Cruiser abadde agezaako okubisanya ne Mark X agimanyi nga ata yagitudde mu mitambo. You see, those are very strong. Look at that pothole. Njagala tukikube. Yes, Ochilabye, it handles very well. Now, special thanks to AY Motors for giving us access to this car and all our partners, the guys that make it possible for us to have cars for review. Thank you very much.
We pride Toyota, Nissan, Benz, or Mazda. We break it down, no propaganda. Every papa's got a thing.
Now, there is popular confusion because most of the cars 2010 and above with Toyota have CVT gearboxes. It's a popular confusion that even the Mark X has CVT, but in actual sense, it has a traditional automatic gearbox, which makes it very safe. It's not as delicate as those CVT cars of ours, yeah. And then bojigatako kuba nti inachi V6 chafe nekituwa amanyi. Now, do I think anyone should be buying? Right now, I find that Mark X's, Toyota Alphard, some of these big engine cars, Kawundo, on the used car market are actually very affordable, well, compared to those other small cars. Now, guys, remember, we are on our journey to make 100,000 subscribers. Huh? Emitwalo 10 ejaba subscriber. Tell a brother to tell a brother to tell a sister to tell a friend. Nti Arthur, for the love of cars Uganda, I got subscribers. Tell them all to come and subscribe, guys. Thank you for being part of this review. I look forward to giving you a lot of reviews. Special thanks to AY Motors for giving us access to this good Mark X for us to review and yet bring more information to our people. Someone would probably ask, what is delicate about the Mark X? Nothing. Gula moroka yo wevugire wenyumirirwe. Until next time. Ciao.